I'm going to give you a visual representation.
Need men because they know
utilizing
everything.
these two pieces of popcorn. So, let us assume for a second that the amount of women who would be available to run these jobs using this piece of popcorn. Okay, you ready? That's how many.
One's better than none.
Okay, here's what it would look like with men who would be available. Okay? Now, do you see the distinction there? Do you see visually the distinction in how few you have versus how many are on the opposite side?
But
I'm just talking about physically capable.
No, that's fine. But you're arguing that it's impossible for us to survive without men.
Yes.
But if that one person can teach everyone else,
Teach everybody else to do what? I'm talking
teach
about
everybody else
no,
anything.
I'm sorry.
Do what they know.
Now,
like why?
So you understand?
What are you basing this on? This whole thing seems arbitrary. Women can figure it out.
Just let me finish, and
What is this
I'm
based
going to
on?
explain
Your
it.
own
You have to stop talking, though.
brain the size of
So
that.
this right here, right, this representation, this is representing women who are physically capable of doing that job. That doesn't represent knowledge. That represents physical capability. Meaning the potential that if you're trained by another woman who does know, that you would even physically be able to do the job. That's what that represents. Now, how can we demonstrate that?
Is it impossible, though?
Yes. It's actually impossible. Yes. It would be impossible for the current...
That's your opinion.
Nope. I can demonstrate it. I mean, I am. But here's why it would be impossible. If that is the representation, this tiny representation of women who would even be physically capable of doing a job like we just saw, okay, then even if you had a woman who knew how to do all those jobs, who taught all the women who wanted to do those jobs that job, there wouldn't be enough who were physically capable to keep the infrastructure going. With men, that would not be a problem.